Oh my God, the GX Day! The GX Day is back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm teaching a session called Let's Get Physical. All about these little details that make a big impact in class. And this session will help you learn how to get your participants engaged and focus on you, not on the clock, not on anything else. So join this session and discover my secrets. So now, what are you presenting, Marietta?
I'm doing a session, no more boring squats, lunges, or push-ups. We know that bodyweight training is a really effective way to train the body, but it can be so tedious when we just do squats like this for ages. It's going to demonstrate how you can really make these exercises fun, exciting, tweak them a little bit so they're much more enjoyable, not just for yourself, but for your participants as well. And then our final session, Marietta.
Oh my God, I'm so excited about this session. It's very meaningful for us.
And it's called Strive and Thrive. And we've discovered that between the two of us, we've come up with some strategies that have been able to help us get through some of life's biggest challenges.
I think all of us have been through different challenges in 2020, and the things that we're going to share with you are really go beyond COVID-19.
And we're not just talking about the outside, we're not talking about the mental health, but we're talking about what really happens deep down inside.
Make sure you don't miss out on the GX Day. It's going to be so special. It's going to be very exciting. The only thing that you need to do is head to our website, mygroovemove.com, and register today. And of course, invite your colleagues and friends to join us too.